Hi guys, Adrian here from Tradeology. Today I have some ideas on trading the EURUSD pair. As you may know, my favorite time frame is the 4-hour chart. Now on the image you'll see the first chart is a 50,000 foot view of where we are at. You can see we have been in a downtrend for a while now. The 200 MA has been in an almost straight line headed down. The first mustard colored horizontal rectangle is at the 1.1130 area. This is a significant level, as can be seen by how price has reacted around that area. The same can be said of the lower, shorter horizontal rectangle at 1.1115 area, where support has held so far. It's a potential target for shorts. Now, look at the zoomed in 4-hour chart. We initially have support at the 1.227 to 1.224 area. The market pushed down through both levels and closed at 1.2220. That small push down was basically to take all the stops out that had been accumulating there. That's why I'm not a fan of putting your stops so close to a strong support or resistance area. It's just a target for the big players to go for. I think another close below 1.2220 should see us reach at least 1.200 and eventually 1.1115. A close above 1.1305 could lead to an upside target of 1.1320, then 1.1390. Thank you for listening.